I came across your website and I just want to comment or I want to give some feedback on this. Your website is really informative and it has an excellent information needed for a client. Now, let's take a look what's happened online as far as people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for your service would see on Google, and what we are going to show to you. What we are looking right now is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid, and you can see you are number one. Wow, you have a really nice ranking. You are number one here right in the middle and middle area, which is your Google profile location that around, and it drops off quickly this corner, this area. And one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile or another website in another city. Right here on the corner, down here and here upper one, that you want to grow into. Let us take a look to see how you're ranking. As you can see, wait, you're here. Oh, that's really good. You're here at the first position. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So down here are the companies who also give business as you do. So what what we are thinking is, or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile on this corner, upper here and then down here. So we're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you more jobs to do, or work to do. Now, if you're interested or if you have any inquiry, please let us know and we're happy to assist you. Thank you.